Mr. Maponga, I want to take one of those.
I mean, you're talking about God, the creator of all, who creates the devil, who creates sin, who puts a snake in the blankets of his own children, who creates the problem. And then the same God comes with solutions. And Christianity is meant to be a solution to our problem of sin, which we were not involved in as human beings in terms of creating that narrative. To begin to put human beings in a battle between the devil and God, which we were not involved in the beginning, and condemn humanity into the abyss of sinfulness without our participation, I think we are rather taking human beings as pawns on the supernatural narrative. My own what I'm going to call observation: when gods have problems, human beings must not get involved in divine problems. Because if the God we're talking about is a problem with the devil, where do human beings fit into the whole narrative? If God must now kill his son to solve human problems, why not kill the devil? Why all of a sudden come around with a divine solution? Jesus must be born